we're going to put together a 30 pocket floor corrugate display. I'm going to show you how. Should be pretty simple. Comes in 2 pieces plus a header sign that we're going to use. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open this display up, the bottom base. And it's important that you fold under your, what I call feet. Then you're going to take these 2 flaps, fold them in, and things will start to stabilize once you get items folded. It's kind of pretty stiff initially. So you fold this bottom piece in and you slide these 2 pieces in the top so that it fits snug. If these pop out, you can just fold them back in. There's a little extra cardboard here. Now this other piece is where you're going to pop in, and they'll go, these little corners. So that's really important because it offers stability to the display. And I just kind of use my thumb, press on that center part, kind of goes in like that. So remember, make sure that your 2 pieces here kind of snug in. Then that's your base. You take your top part and you want it facing the correct direction so your slats are up. And at the back is a tab that pops out. At the top is another piece that comes out as well. So you're going to take this tab, placing it in this bottom piece here. It's in, okay. And then we'll come around to the back side carefully because you don't want to take out that tab in the bottom. Put this like this, and then this slides in. Go. You kind of use your finger and pop those out. It's not going to go anywhere. Remember, your bottom feet are stable. Once the cards are in here, I'll add a little weight to it and I'll keep it planted on the floor. You're going to take your tabs in the top. There's little slats. And you're going to stick them in. Ta-da!